walmart.com, how to log in on Walmart. If you wish to log in on Walmart, open your browser and go to walmart.com. Then, from the top right hand side, you can see the sign in account button. Just make sure to click on the sign in button. Then click on sign in or create account. On the next page, you can simply select one of your accounts to log in with. So just go ahead and enter the email address associated with that respective Walmart account and click on next. If it asks you for a verification, make sure to email yourself a one-time code, but you can also log in just by using your password. If you don't know what password you typed in, you can click on the show button. If you forgot your password, you can click on the forgot password button. But given that both your credentials are correct, you can enter them, click on the sign in button, and you'll be successfully signed in to Walmart. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.